What's up, YouTube? Ryan here with the MXG channel, and I'm behind the dealership here at AMC, and I've got a cool bike to show you. It's not anything brand new. It's something that I got to see in person at the KTM Dealer Summit in Charlotte last summer. Most of you guys have probably already seen one, but it makes you smile every time you do. It's the Norden 901 by Husky. This one's pretty cool. Obviously, the Norden came out a few years ago. People were so excited. I mean, it was the ultimate tease. We waited years for the bike to actually show up at dealerships, and it wasn't long after that we have the Norden 901 Expedition. So obviously you can think of this similar to the KTM 890 Adventure and the 890 Adventure R. The 901 Expedition is just comes with some cool stuff. It comes with extra features, it comes with add-ons, it comes with luggage, and it comes with, most importantly in my opinion, the Explorer 48 mil forks on the front instead of I think the regular version comes with the 43s. That's just much better suspension, you know, the same suspension you're going to get on the performance dirt bikes. So the graphics, definitely one of the first things that catch your eye. It's got that topography, and we use that in a lot of our graphics at AMC, which is really cool. Got the big Husky logo. It says Norden 901. It's louder than the base model Norden, and I dig it. So a lot of the regular Nordens were like very matte blackish paint schemes, and this one's, you know, got this bright blue and white, yellow accents. I like the white handguards right here. I know they probably won't stay looking that good for long, but guys, that stands out and looks great. So I told you 48 WP Explorer fork instead of the 48 Explorer instead of the 43 Apex. That's the big deal. It's also got this wraparound skid plate. It's beefy. It's not like the plastic ones that come on the base model. It's just like the shield here. I mean, that thing is protecting your lower tank. And if you're not familiar with these bikes, the Norden and the 890 Adventure, that's kind of what this design was known for. It's a you know, a straight up and down, like vertical gas tank, so a lot of the gas sits down low, and what that gives you is an adventure bike, a big heavy adventure bike that holds a lot of gas, that feels more like a dirt bike, handles a lot better because the center of gravity is so low. Speaking of gas, this thing will hold right at 5 gallons. Another one of the add-ons you get with the Expedition is a center stand. Anybody that's actually going to adventure ride their bike wants a center stand rather than just add the kickstand. Kickstand's great for convenience, but whenever you need to work on the bike or you get a flat tire, need to do any real work, that center stand is absolutely fantastic to have, and now you've got one stock. Also, in stock form, you get heated grips and a heated seat. So the stuff's already on. I can tell you, a lot of times you think, oh, I'll just buy this stuff afterwards, and that's fine, but some of these things are a bit of a pain to install if you don't do it every day. Not the seat, but the grips and all that stuff, finding the connectors. Here's a seat. You can see there's the heated seat connector. I'll show you guys underneath what it looks like. The battery's out of this one, charging right now. But yeah, heated seat standard is really cool. You also get the Bluetooth connectivity standard for all your infotainment and navigation. Let's talk about cost real quick on this thing. It comes in at $15,800. That's $15,800. It's $1,300 more than the regular Expedition, and in my opinion, the amount of time and labor it saves you having to install a good skid plate, install a good center stand, install the heated grips, all that stuff is well worth it. You're also going to get some special software features with the Norden 901 Expedition. One, you get a special Explorer mode, and I'm not super educated on what that mode is right now. Maybe one of you guys can tell me in the comments. But the most important thing is you get the Quick Shifter Plus, which is an up-down quick shift. If you haven't rode one of the KTMs with Quick Shifter, I'm telling you, it's amazing. It's life-changing, especially on a big bike like this out on the street where you can just grab a handful anytime you want. If for some reason you're not familiar with it, You can grab a handful of throttle. You can pull out of the driveway. You can hold the throttle wide open, You never touch the clutch, and you can shift up or down on that shifter, and it will hesitate the ignition when it feels the shifter move, just enough to let it slip into that next gear. It's really awesome. But also check out these bags that come on here, guys. It comes with these soft panniers, and they hold a little bit of form, so they look good, but they come apart really easy. And I'm gonna do a dedicated video about these over on the AOMC YouTube channel, but it's a dry bag. You've got these clips, and then it rolls up, and it's got magnets that hold it together at the top. So that's pretty cool. And you can write your name. It's got the, I love bags that have a flow or just a different color inside like this, because it makes it so much easier to see your stuff. And you can see, I mean, that bag can expand up like that. You can get a lot of stuff in there. So what folds down and stays pretty low profile, still looks good with the Husky logo and the stitching and everything, can actually expand and store a lot of cool stuff. Of course, the flow on that bag matches the flow stitching on the bag, the Norden stitching, the flow logo here. They did a beautiful job tying this together. Down here on the bottom of the bag, you're also going to have some cinch straps, so you can put whatever you need in there, tighten it up right here on the end. I also believe that the Norden has a taller windshield than the base model. I'm not 100% sure, maybe somebody can confirm that, but you can see it's more of like a touring windshield. So pretty cool. I have not got to test ride a Norden yet, but I hope to soon. And if I do, I will keep you guys, I'll take you guys along on the journey with me via GoPro. All right, y'all, if you appreciate these videos, then you can help me out by just using the link below to AOMC and grabbing your motorcycle parts from AOMC. I get a cut of that. It helps us out so much, and doesn't cost you any extra money whatsoever. So thanks so much. Ryan with the MXG channel. See you in the next video.